Great, and today we are going to make this zigzag line art in Illustrator. So let me delete this and let's make it from the start. So basically first we are going to make those zigzag lines, and then we are going to create a blend and replace the blend on the spine. So I'm gonna select the ellipse tool, sorry not ellipse tool, rectangle tool over here, and I'm gonna create a rectangle like this. Maybe this size is alright. Basically delete these extra shapes. I'm gonna move this to the side.